Hi gardeners, welcome back to Wizzy Bee, and it's springtime and we're very happy to be back in the greenhouses. Today I want to show you what I've had in the post, and I grew them last summer. They're really pretty little mini plug plants of they're called Happy Hour. They're bedding plants and they flower continuously through the summer, great in hanging baskets and wherever you want them to be. So these little tiny little plants, you've got, I think it's 50 here for less than £20. And when you go out into your garden centre, give it another month or so, they'll want to sell you something in a 9cm pot for about £5 each. So you can see the benefit. But I know a lot of my gardening friends are always asked, what do you do with these little things? So today we're going to show you. Oh sorry, there's a gale blowing today. So there's like a bit of moisture at the roots, so I'm using a lovely soft multi-purpose without the peat, but it has moisture retentive built in. So I tend to start them off in something a little bit small so the roots can develop, and then this size I can put straight into a hanging basket or whatever I want. So I filled it with compost that you might have seen in my other films, and you level it off. So you've got a dibber or a lollipop stick or whatever you have handy, and just make a wee hole there for it. Now with these, they've had a good drink, so they're nice and moist, so the compost isn't going to come away from the plant. And I use the dibber just to poke inside the hole at the bottom. And what that will do, it will release the little one from the cell. And you get that in there and out it will come. Okay, so then you put that in your little hole, a gentle push, not too hard because it's still a baby, and just very gently tease the compost back around, and you can then give it a drink. I personally like to do it from below because that encourages the roots down, and then keep them frost free, and you will have hundreds of plants bought at a fraction of the price, and you can fill your beautiful garden and save yourself a load of money. And yeah, I'm tucked up in the nice greenhouse here because it's not very pleasant outside. It's a bit windy, but thinking of the future and lovely sunny days when all these will be flowering, and I'll show you. Happy gardening, bye!